Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. From the previous video, we all have started learning the WH words. I've already explained you that we use the WH words to ask the questions. There are 9 WH words which you all know. The 9 WH words are what, when, where, which, why, who, whom, whose, and how. So these are the 9 WH words, and we have started learning the what and when. So what, we use what to know the information, and when to know the time we use when. Today we are all going to learn the third and the fourth WH words, which are where and which. So let us start with where. We use the WH word where to ask the questions about the place. What, information. When, time. Where, place. So all the questions related to place. Where is your home? Where are you from? Where do you study? Where do you go to enjoy? Where is your friend's home? Where is your native place? So all these things, see, all the questions related to the place, we use where to ask particular questions. Okay, so all the questions which are related to place, we use where to ask the questions. Okay, next let us talk about which. So this is very important actually. We use the WH word which to ask the questions about the choice. So what do you mean by choice? So we have groups of things, right? There are some groups like vegetables as a group, there are many. Colors is a group, there are many. Schools, it's a group, there are many. Languages, it's a group, there are many. Toys, there are many, but it's a group. Mobile phones are many, it's a group. Shirts are many, it's a group. Rooms are many, it's a group. Villages are many, it's a group. States are many, it's a group. So in a group, when you talk about your choice, when you talk about your choice, you use which. Got my point? So about all the things, I'm talking only about the things. So when you talk about the things, listen to me very carefully, when you talk about the things and when you talk about the choice among them, you use which. In simple English, among a group, when you talk about one particular thing, you use which. Some examples. Which state has much population in India? Which country is the best to visit? Which language is very easy to learn? Which recipe is so good? Which color suits me? Which product? These are the different questions on which. And one more thing, when you talk about your favorites or when you ask someone about their favorites, in that case also we use which. Which is your favorite car? There are many cars, but you talk about only one. Which is your favorite fruit? There are many fruits, but you talk about only one. Which is your favorite language? There are many languages, but you talk about one. Which is your favorite movie? Which is your favorite subject? Which is your favorite color? Which is your favorite brand? Which is your favorite perfume? Which is your favorite beverage? So what do you mean by beverage? So beverage means the soft drink. We have Thumbs Up, Maaza, Pepsi, Minute Maid. All these things are beverages. So they are soft drinks. Okay. So which is your favorite dessert? So dessert. So what do you mean by dessert? Dessert means the sweet item that we eat. The sweet dish that we eat before starting the meal. Dessert. Which is your favorite dessert? My favorite dessert is Kalakand. Okay, so all the favorites, when you talk about all the favorites also, you use which. Remember, very easy, but we should know. So in different situations, when the situation comes us to ask a question, we should know which WH word that we have to use. Okay, so we use what to know the information from someone. We use what to know the information from someone, and we use when to know the information about the time. So we use when to know the time. We use where to talk about the place. When, time, day, date, month, year, whatever it may be. Where, about the place. And which, about the choice, about the one particular thing, about the favorite, about the selected thing. So hope you are getting my point. So this is all about today's class. You have learned, you have got the clarification about where and which. So there are 9 WH words: what, when, where, which, why, who, whom, whose, and how. So what? Information. Where? Place. When? Time. Which? Choice. It's so easy. Keep practicing, keep using these words in your day-to-day life. And also please do share this video. I'm very happy. That's because you are all watching and encouraging. Please do share it. Please let the people know. Please let the people learn. Thank you, everyone.